Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code on the menu is P0334, NOX Sensor 2-Circuit Intermittent Bank 2. This means your car's computer isn't getting a good signal from the NOX sensor, which can lead to engine knocking and performance issues. Don't worry, we can tackle this together. What is a NOX sensor? Think of your NOX sensor as a tiny engine ear. It listens for abnormal vibrations or knocking that can indicate engine problems. By detecting this knocking, the engine computer can adjust timing and fuel mixture to protect your engine. Symptoms of a P0334 code: engine knocking sound, reduced engine power, illuminated check engine light. Diagnosing the problem. Before diving in, grab your trusty OBD-II scanner and confirm the P0334 code. There are three main culprits for this code. 1. Faulty NOX sensor. The sensor itself might be malfunctioning and needs replacing. 2. Wiring issues. Damaged or loose wires connecting the sensor to the engine computer can disrupt the signal. 3. Engine computer failure. In rare cases, the computer itself might be faulty. Tools you'll need: OBD-II scanner, multimeter, wrench set, replacement NOX sensor, repair manual. Safety first. Always consult your car's manual before starting any repairs. Remember to work in a well-ventilated area and let the engine cool completely before touching it. Locating the NOX sensor. The NOX sensor is usually on the engine block, cylinder head, or intake manifold. Your car's manual will have the exact location. Checking the wiring. If you're comfortable with a multimeter, you can check the wiring for continuity and voltage according to your car's manual. However, replacing the sensor is often the first troubleshooting step. Replacing the NOX sensor. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Locate the NOX sensor and identify its electrical connector. Disconnect the wiring harness from the sensor. Use the wrench to remove the NOX sensor. Be careful not to over-tighten the new one. Install the new sensor. Following the manual's torque specifications, reconnect the wiring harness and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Clearing the code and testing. Start your car and check if the engine light is off. If you have an OBD-II scanner, clear the code and take your car for a test drive. Listen for any knocking sounds and check for improved performance. If the code comes back after replacing the sensor, it might be a wiring issue or a problem with the engine computer. In that case, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic for further diagnosis and repair. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the P0334 code and get your car running smoothly again. Remember, if you're not comfortable with any part of the repair, don't hesitate to take it to a mechanic. And as always, happy wrenching!